Good morning. I wanted to do my quick morning routine with y'all, okay? And so the very first thing I do is I use my micellar water. Now, sometimes you can still use your cleanser, or if you're taking a shower in the morning, obviously you wash your face in the shower. When I'm taking a shower in the morning, I will tell you that in my shower is my microdermabrasion, and I have the Mary Kay exfoliating scrub. And so that's what I will use in the morning to scrub my face. Okay, so that, if I'm gonna take in a shower, but I showered last night, so I'm not taking one this morning. So and let me just show you, like, I still have a little bit on my face from after the cleansing and toning that I did last night. So it's always great to kind of have the micellar water just to kind of do a quick cleanse in the mornings. So then I love this toner, y'all, this Mary Kay toner. It's really, really great. And I'll go ahead and do a quick tone. Now I'm using this toner morning and night. You can see I have my eye patches on. Y'all, those are the best depuffing patches. I love them. I've tried the other patches that y'all have seen with the little gold ones. Like I've tried different ones just to I love these. I think these work the best. Love them. So these really do depuff every single morning while I'm drinking my coffee. Just pop them on real quick, okay? So that's morning routine as well. Okay. All right, so let's just dive into the skincare. I'm gonna be using my hyaluronic acid booster. Hyaluronic acid, y'all, is super important. I'm gonna put some drops in my fingertips, and you just kind of pat it in your face. Hyaluronic acid is great hydration, okay? It holds its weight 1,000 times, and it is major hydration for your skin, okay? So I definitely recommend, if you're not using hyaluronic acid, you definitely wanna do that. You go and ChatGPT the top 3 ingredients you want on your skin. One of them is hyaluronic acid, okay? The next thing is our Niacinamide booster. I love the boosters. The Niacinamide booster, for me, I like my skin to glow. I like brightness, and that's what that does. The Niacinamide also helps with like skin irritancy. It calms your skin as well. And so I like the booster. And then in the daytime, so I actually use both of those at night as well. But I do use the vitamin C plus E during the day. The booster with this in a combination really does well with the brightness of the skin, okay? So, well, there we go. Just like a little pump. So this is the vitamin C plus E. Again, you ask ChatGPT, they'll say vitamin C. I put all my excess in my hands. So vitamin C and niacinamide together work really great together. And of course, this is my my lifting serum. I love this. Now, what I'm trying to achieve is hydration, okay? But not too much hydration where it's making me oily, okay? So these products with the boosters and the niacinamide, those are helping with the hydration and plumping up my skin, but not making my skin oily, okay? And so this Volu-fill has a Volu-fill complex in it, so it actually has a little hyaluronic booster in it, and also has biometric peptides and collagen. So it's phenomenal. It's great for lifting and firming, and so this is being used morning and night. Of course, a good eye cream is very important. This is our best eye cream. We do have others. My second choice would be our firming eye cream, but this does all of it. It firms, it decreases lines and wrinkles, it moisturizes, it brightens, it does all the things, okay? It has like a real adapter on the end. It's called a ZMAC, and it has 4 metals. zinc, magnesium, aluminum, copper. So it's very, very good. The other, one of my products I'm missing, I'm like, I'm out of that, and I just haven't got it back in yet, but we have a new Wrinkle, dynamic wrinkle limiter, and it's fabulous. I use it morning and night, and this would be kind of the step. And I would go ahead and put it like on my forehead and a little bit maybe on the crow's feet, but mainly it's on my forehead, okay? So, and then I use that morning and night, but I don't have that right now. But the wrinkle filler is for the daytime, okay? So if you just have some lines that you're wanting to reduce, then you would use the wrinkle filler, and this would be the time I'll do that. And so this again is like patting. So I just kind of pat in where I have the wrinkle. Just very light. I'm not rubbing it, I'm just patting it. Okay. That's the wrinkle filler. This has retinol in it. It's fabulous. This is a game changer. I've been using this. It's my second bottle. I love this. It's the newest thing that I've started using. And I just saw immediate results. I mean, I really did. I can't tell you exactly what I've seen, but it's just like an overall, my skin just feels better. This is a barrier, it's called Barrier Restore. And it just repairs the barrier of your skin. It has 1 part fatty acid, 1 part ceramide, and 3 parts cholesterol. It's fabulous. If there's any one thing that you have not tried and would like to add to your regimen, that would be the one. And then of course you finish up with a daytime moisturizer. This has SPF 30 in it. Now, our Miracle set, you could definitely you don't need a lot. The Miracle, I'm using the Volu-fill I use the Volu-fill when it's cold. Okay, when my skin's drier, I use the Volu-fill. In the summer, I normally do use the Miracle set, and that's just because of your skin changes. And so, so those are both fabulous lines, and whichever one works best for you would be the one that you would choose. But the key is the supplements. The key is the supplements. So I'm talking and doing this, and it's 7 minutes, but this takes me about 2 minutes. So I know it seems like a lot, but once you get in a routine, it's for 2 minutes to get the best overall skincare and the best skin look. These would be the products that I would recommend for daytime use.